Students, good afternoon. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Chapter 2 is running at this time. Do you know, class? Yesterday I was explained electronic mail and opening procedure of browser. Is it clear? Any problem? Electronic mail means abbreviation of email. Is it clear? Email and opening procedure of browser we have completed. Class, today we will understand surfing the web. Today we will understand surfing the web. But before understanding to surfing the web, firstly class, web browsers. Many types of web browsers we can use for opening internet, like Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera are powerful and popular web browsers. Is it clear? Now class, we will understand surfing the web. Surfing the web. Students, surfing the web means searching and visiting a website for information which we want. Surfing means searching the information, searching and visiting through a website for information is called surfing. Means we can use internet facility, that is for searching any information, data or another thing is called surfing. Class, the two ways we can use to search the information. Number one, first way to search the information by choosing a directory where websites are organized by broad topics and subtopics. The best example of this, the Yahoo site, where we can reach by typing this URL http://yahoo.com. Again I am repeating, first way to search for surfing we can use two way. First way, by choosing a directory where websites are organized by broad topics and subtopics. The best example of this Yahoo site, where we can reach by typing http://yahoo.com. Students, means through Yahoo site we can search the information, means we can surfing. Second way for surfing, class, for surfing by using the search engines, means we can surfing by using search engines. It is more effective for surfing. This is not for. Is it clear? it is more effective for surfing. There are many types of search engines like Google.com, Yahoo, Ask.com, Bing, etc. Clear, class? When we are using search engines, we may use three operators: and, or, and not operator. While using search engine, we can use three operators: and, or, not. These three operators we will understand one by one to each. And means either or, means while using search engine, again we may use three operators: and, or, not. One by one we will understand, class. Again, and operator means both. Suppose, through example, x and y, we have two values. If we are using and operator, means x and y both. If we are using or operator, x or y, means x or y, anyone which we want. Not means neither nor, means nor x nor y. Is it clear? These three operators we can use. Next thing, class. Equipments needed to surf the internet. Equipments needed to surf the internet. First, the basic equipments are: number one, high quality computer. High quality computer means high speed processor. With this computer, capacity of RAM and hard disk drive are so high, means highest capacity RAM is needed and hard disk space highest quality is given. So we can use high quality computers when we want to use internet facility in our computer system. Second, a modem. Modem is very important thing for using internet. The full form of modem is modulator demodulator. Full form of modem is modulator demodulator. Is it clear? Third, a broadband connection means we can take an internet connection from any ISP. ISP means internet service provider. Next thing, class, number 4, internet account on any ISP means internet account we can take from any ISP, any service provider. Many types of service providers are using in India. Class, India's main ISP is BSNL. I also explained BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Is it clear, class? And many ISPs are in India like Airtel, Tata, Reliance, VSNL, BSNL, MTNL. Clear? These are ISPs. Those are running in India. Is it clear, class? Now class, today's class is over.